I have a United Refrigerator Commercial Heavy Duty ucf200/C where the magnetic seal has failed around the bottom. Looking at it, it seems like a simple enough fix, but I can't find the manual to help identify the needed part number. Do the universal ones work well enough? Or can you point me to somewhere I can buy the appropriate replacement part?
Welcome and thank you for your question. I will be the professional that will be assisting you. The first thing to try is to heat the seal up and remold it. Use a blow dryer and soften the seal so it can remold to the frame. Make sure every inch of the seal is making contact with the frame or it will not seal correctly. Use a piece of paper to ensure the areas you can't see are sealing correctly. After you do that, it will possibly fix the issue. If that doesn't work, you will need to replace the seal. You can purchase the door gasket from the link below. Door seal link, click here.
Okay, we'll try the blow dryer idea. Hadn't thought of that before. Regarding the replacement part listed, when I entered my model number in on the page you sent, it did not show up as a compatible part.
Yes, you will most likely be able to get the blow dryer to fix it. Weird, I was able to get that number from Sears Parts. See link below. Sears Parts door gasket link, it was cheaper at the other place. Appliance Parts Bros uses a different number than Sears. It's the right seal according to the lookup. You can call and verify.
I think the dryer thing is actually going to work. We're still mucking with it but wanted to rate. Many thanks on this.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.